Very good morning, dear student of standard 5th. Today I have came with the EVS 2 lessons, that is from your EVS part 2 history. Okay, so I will give you the notes of the continued lesson. Hope so it will be very helpful to complete your studies and to complete your notes. Now it's lesson number 8 from your EVS textbook, EVS 2 textbook. Okay, that is beginning of settled life. Your textbook page number 34 to 38. Here are some notes that I will provide you. So complete it in your notebook. Now see, this is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks of each and every sentences. Here is the answer. Let us go through with the fill in the blanks. What it is written? Dash animal are useful to man in many ways. Which animal? That is domestic animals. Okay. Now second one is women were credited to have to start dash. So answer is cultivation. Third one, the craftsmen obtain their dash from long distance. Answer is raw material. The dash system of buying and selling goods was established. So the answer is barter. People responsible for implementation of rules become the dash of the village settlement. Answer is chief. Now this is next fill in the blanks. I am showing you directly the answer. Okay. Archaeological evidence show the agriculture first began about 11,000 years ago in Israel and answer is Iraq. The houses at the beginning of New Stone Age were made of wattle and dog. Dog was domesticated in the dash Stone Age. That is answer is middle. People staying in a village settlement belong to a single dash. Answer is clan. The dash was entrusted with the responsibility of protection of village. Answer is chief. Okay. Now here is the chart. Complete the following concept chart. Okay. See, this is a question. And here this is the answer. See, importance, essential commodity, results, trade and obtain. ओके, इम्पोर्टेंस में क्या आएगा? एसेंशियल कमोडिटी, मतलब सॉल्ट जो है इसका इम्पोर्टेंस में क्या आएगा? एसेंशियल कमोडिटी. रिजल्ट, व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द सॉल्ट? एक्सपांशन ऑफ ट्रेड. ऑब्टेन बाय, फ्रॉम वेयर डज दिस ऑब्टेन? इट इज ऑब्टेन बाय ट्रेडर्स from far away places. Now what is trade? Exchange with other commodities. Okay. Now here again I am coming down. Answer the following question in one sentence. What is animal husbandry? Domesticated animals and keeping them for our own uses is called animal husbandry. Name the animal that was first to be domesticated by man. So the dog was the first animal that was domesticated by the man. Now come to next question. For what purpose? Okay. For what purpose was dog used? Dog were used to help in hunting. What is the next question? After dog, which animal was the next to be domesticated? Goat and sheep were the animal domesticated after dog. Next question. Who made the earthen pot and other earthen object during the New Stone Age? In the New Stone Age, women made earthen pots and other earthen object by hand. Which factor was responsible for regional difference in the style of constructing houses. The regional difference in the style of constructing houses were due to difference in local climate. What was the nature of village settlement? Village settlement was like an extended family. Why did farmer need skilled craftsmen? Farmer needs skilled craftsmen to make agricultural implements as well as to repair these. What is the next question? How were the craftsmen paid for their service? The craftsmen were paid for their service in the form of food grain or other articles. And the 10th question is, what did the village community make rule for mutual cooperation? So the answer is, the village community made rule for mutual cooperation in order to keep the barter system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. Okay. Now come to brief answer. What are the three main steps of process of domesticating the wild animal? So the answer should be written in point as it is written here. First point is capture the wild animal. Second, taming the wild animal by giving them training to live with human. Third one, obtaining useful material like milk for the animals and training them to work as beasts of burden for the humans. Okay. Now the second one, what is the second question? How did some people in the community become skilled craftsmen? So the answer is, as the food available was more than need by community, some men and women utilized their spare time in experimentation and for using their natural creativity to develop special skill. Persons with such special skill were given work based on those skills. Thereby a class of skilled craftsmen is emerged. Okay students, see, this is your final answer. Now this is another question. Write about the structure of house at the beginning of a new stone age. So the answer is, you have to write it in points itself. At the beginning of a new stone age, the houses were made up of wattle and daub. The walls were screens woven from stick or bamboos and plastered with mud or cow dung. Write about the houses in the later period of the New Stone Age. So the answer is, in the later period of New Stone Age, people began to build quadrangular houses of sun-dried bricks. Some houses have more than one room. These houses were built very close to each other. Regional difference have become noticed in the style of construction of houses. Write about the custom of burial. So the answer is, a dead person was buried either in the house or in a courtyard to ensure that a person born with the family was not cut off even after the death. Family would bury various articles with the dead person for them to use there even after death. Now here is the next question. Write short notes of the following. Okay. Now useful, first question is what? See. Usefulness of any 5 domesticated animal. First is cow. What does cow do? How does cow help us? Cow is a milch animal that gives milk and milk product. Cow dung is a traditional sources of energy. What about bullock? Bullock is useful for agriculture operation. Bullock cart is a means of transportation. Horse. Horse is attached to carriage and is a means of transportation. Soldiers used to mount on horses during war times. Sheep. Sheep give wool and it is used to make woolen clothing. It meats is consumed by non-vegetarian. Dog. Dog serves as a watch guard and protect our house. It barks at an outsider and thereby warns us about the danger. Dogs are very useful in police investigation. Now next question is method of sowing seed. The woman, you have to write again in points only. The woman used pointed stick to sow seeds. The stick was weighted in the center by using the perforated stone to dig deeper into the soil. Women in some tribes still use this method to sow seed. Now agriculture. Agriculture became the main sources of livelihood during the New Stone Age. Agricultural production increased considerably by animal pull plough came into uses. There was sharing of agricultural tasks and water resources. People began to worship nature and various deities for good crops. Understood? So students, hope so you all have got it your answer. So make use of this question answer and be continued with your studies. Be happy, stay safe.